Good evening, I am RJ Apolona.
And I'm Angel Amdagan. Welcome to tonight's special report, The Power of Words.
Today, we look at how simple words can bring people together or push them apart. From online posts to world events, what we say matters.
Thanks, RJ. I'm here at an event where world leaders talk about freedom of speech, the right to speak without fear. Many say that it's harder than ever to speak the truth, especially in places where people are punished for being sharing honest.
As a reporter, I've seen people lose their jobs, and worse, for speaking up. But we must keep going. Without free speech, people stay silent, even when something is wrong. This is Earl Nampas.
And this is Rialyn Esparta.
Reporting live.
Thanks, Earl. Online, words spread fast. This week, a 17-year-old girl posted a short video about climate change. It went viral with millions of views in just 2 days.
Even a short message can make a big difference. On social media, anyone can speak, and if the message is strong, people will listen.
Today, words are everywhere. In speeches, news, and online. They can help or they can hurt. That's why we need to think first before we speak or post. Words can build peace or cause problems. This is Shahara Canada, reporting live.
We've seen that words have power in small ways and big ways.
So let's use them to tell the truth, show kindness, and bring people together. That's the real power of words.
And that's all for today's evening news. Thank you for joining us.
We'll be right back tomorrow with the latest headlines that matters to you.
This is
RJ Apolona
and Angel Amdagan signing off.